you for calling. To leave a message, please press 1. To leave a fax, press 2, or begin faxing at any time. Please record your message after the tone. When you have finished, you may hang up or press the pound key for more options.
Hello, Joe. I'm Joe the Computer Geek. I've seen you in the news lately, and you seem to be a thinking kind of guy. But you know what, Joe? Take it from another Joe. Don't allow John McCain to exploit you as another Pinocchio. You and I, and all the other Joes around the world, are better than that.